Hi everyone, it's Maggie, and I'm here to do a video of Tracy Fox Creative, her 2025 December daily Christmas clusters, and day 20 is my day. You have to excuse my voice. I have had a cough and cold all week. So anyways, I made a few ahead of time and I'll show you what I did, and then I'll make one at the end of the video, but I wanted to make it a quick video so you don't have to spend a lot of time watching. And yeah, I just wanted to keep it quick and simple. And I know everybody's so busy, so I didn't want to make it into a, half hour or an hour video. So anyway, the other day I made these three, and these were with, I think, the first week cluster freebies. And I started with the base of muslin, and I added this. It's so pretty. This square, and then I cut this out and I inked all the edges, and then I cut this little flower out of one of my appliques. I just kept them really simple, in case, if I make a Christmas book, I can use them as pockets or tuck spots. So I wanted, to keep them within that range. So there's the first one. And then this one here. This is so cute. So I took another square rectangle, and the back of this is on a doily. And I cut out and inked the rectangle, then the little plaid tag or tartan, maybe it's tartan, and then this little image here, and I added a little fabric flower with a pearl and a ribbon down the bottom. So you can see they're really simple. And then this one I made earlier today, and it's in the back on the back of this is another. It's a different type of doily. This would make a really good size pocket or tuck spot. So underneath the bottom is you can't see much of it, but it was a rectangle. And then I added this square here, and then this little like tag shape there. I added the 25 for Christmas Day. I added a little ribbon. I think or actually they're tiny threads made into little flowers. And then I added this ribbon flower with the rhinestone on this side. And then, oh, here's the third one. I missed that. So this one started with muslin also, and I used a music square in the back. I used one of the Santas. This one, let me think now. This one came from this week's freebie of the Christmas clusters. So, yeah, I used the music square, the Santa, the Merry Christmas. Then I added just a tiny piece of this flower trim there, and then this is some tatting I put along the edge. It kind of went with the pink in his outfit, in his little Santa suit. Okay, so those are the ones that I made ahead of time. All right, so this one, I'm starting off with this. It's a shiny gold like applique, I guess you could call it. And then I'm going to take this doily, And I'm going to put it right in the middle. And I'm going to, just for time, I'm going to use my hot glue gun. It'll make it quicker. Make sure it's not sticking. Okay. I'm going to need another glue stick. I didn't realize it was almost to the end. Oh, maybe not yet. All right, I'll keep it right there. All right, and then I have this. This is one of the, I should have brought some of the papers that I used, to cut out. I'll show you a few. So I did use these to cut out, but these are the freebies. I didn't, and this is where I got most of what I'm doing now is from this page here. Okay, and there'll be a link in the description box to Tracy's Ko-fi page because that's where you can find the freebies. All right, so I'm going to put this on here. And I'm going to put this right. I'm going to put this over here. And then I'm going to take a piece of this cheesecloth just for something different. And I'm going to add that right there. Just use a little glue for now. Just for a little texture and interest. And then we have this little square here with the little bird. I think it's a cardinal. Okay, I'm going to add that next. Right there. Okay. Then we're going to add the 25. I guess we can put that right there. I cut everything out ahead of time and inked everything so that we could make this quick and easy. That's what clusters should be, I guess. Okay, and then I have this green leaf piece off of a trim by the yard, and then I have this ribbon flower that kind of looks like I just went blank with the pearls in the middle, the Christmas plant. Oh my gosh. It's just not one of my videos unless I forget something, what something's called. I'll think of it after I'm done with the video. Okay, so I'm going to put this down here in the corner. And then last, I'm just going to add this flower. Poinsettia. Oh, didn't take me to the end of the video to think about it. Okay, and then I'm going to add this right here. I think this is going to be my favorite one. There we go. Okay, so there's that one. Whoops. I'm kind of close. I have the camera kind of close so you could actually see what I was doing. So that's it. These are my clusters. They were fun to make. They're quick. They're easy. Anybody can do them, and they go really nicely in your journals, junk journals, regular journals. So that's it. Let's see. I think I said I'll have the links in the description box, and I hope everyone has a wonderful holiday. I can't believe it's only 4 days, 4 or 5 days away. And yeah, thanks, Tracy, for having me for one of your cluster days. And then I'll be on the 30th of December, I'm doing the December daily Advent. Um, I can't think of the full name of it, but she does that every year. And last year I missed it because of a fall I took. And so I was so happy that I could do it this year. So, all right, I'm going to stop rambling and say good night. And I hope to see you all on the 30th. Bye for now.